Hi guys, welcome back here. So today I'm going to be showing you this awesome plugin. It is called Morph. So Morph can do different things. So you just have to run your Morph. So this is the Morph plugin. So you can do different things here using the Morph plugin. You can do SKEUO, you can do neon, you can do glitch, you can do reflect design, you can do glassy effect, you can do gradient on this Morph. All you have to do is just to run your Morph plugin with the option available. So just click on this drop down, then select which effect you want, and voila, you get the job done. So with this, you can even add speed to your design, to your UI design, and you can even get nice effects on your design, giving your design a new and a splendid look. You can also add elevation to your design with this because of the effect that this Morph plugin gives your design. So your work become easier and simplified with Morph plugin, and you can also edit the effect that Morph plugin gives you. Thank you guys.